HDMI signal and connectivity repair and boosters, KD-FIX418 and KD-HDFIX22. KD-FIX418 was released specifically to help integrators overcome obstacles of integrating 18 gigabit per second source and display equipment in existing 10G infrastructure. The product has a super small profile with USB powering, boasts a wide assortment of usage modes we will instruct you on how to use and activate, and provides full HDCP 2.2 compliance with 18 gigabit per second bandwidth support. To help integrators overcome 18 gigabit per second connectivity issues that have been reported from the field, KD-FIX418 has 18 gigabit per second signal repair. You can install it before a long run cable or at the end of a long run cable to clean up artifacts and prevent picture loss. You can also use FIX418 as an HDMI extender, where you can have a long directional cable from the source into the fixer and out of the fixer into the display. But please note, in order to have two long directional cables, the resolution and bandwidth must not exceed 10.2 gigabits per second. FIX418 also has input boost mode. If your display has experienced lost pixels, signal flickering, the input boost mode, when applied by setting the control rotary to settings 2, 3, 6, 7, A, B, E, or F, should overcome those minor signal loss issues. There is also an 18G to 10G down convert mode that can be activated. In this mode, a 4K source can output 18 gigabits per second. The FIX418 will down convert that signal so that you can integrate with legacy equipment, perhaps that was installed as recently as a year or two ago with maximum bandwidth support of 10.2 gigabits per second, so that you can now integrate modern 4K sources into existing infrastructure. To activate down convert mode, set the control rotary to settings 4, 5, 6, or 7. Compression mode and decompression mode will enable you to output 18 gigabits per second from your source, so that the FIX418 can compress it to 10.2 gigabits per second and receive that 10G signal, then decompress back to 18 gigabits per second so that the display displays a full 18G signal. To do so, you will set the control rotary to settings 8, 9, A, or B on the first 418 unit, and the decoder to setting 4, 5, 6, or 7. It is important that you must have 2 units in order to achieve that compression and decompression. KD-HDFIX22 is another HDMI correction device for 10G systems. There is HDMI boosting, HDCP 2.2 compatibility, audio de-embedding, and the full buffer system that is activated by the EDID dial for the handshaking control, and hot plug detection is activated to a fixed on position by moving the operation mode switch to the HPD forced on setting. Then your connected source and display devices will always see a live partner on the other end of the cable regardless of the connected source or display's actual power state. We see the audio de-embed on 2 ports, one being analog 3.5 millimeter tip ring sleeve stereo, and the other being digital audio on a PCM RCA connector. The analog port supports up to 2-channel audio de-embedded, and the digital supports a maximum of 5.1 Dolby and DTS surround.